welcome. My name is Nabila Welk. I'm a therapist and spiritual guide, and I help you to a life full of happiness and abundance. My guest today is Dr. Pooran Chand. Pooran is a yoga guru in New Delhi. He lives and teaches yoga 24 hours a day, helping people to feel better, to be healthier. Welcome, Dr. Pooran.
Yeah, welcome. Thank you so much, Nabila Welk, for this opportunity, and good morning to all of you friends. And very nice to see you all. Thank you so much.
Well, great. Dr. Pooran, I will change this here. Can you tell people a little bit about yoga? Why do you think yoga is important for our physical, emotional, and spiritual health? I'm just taking it that it's good for everything. Is that right?
Yeah. Yoga, that time, yoga is very necessary, and yoga changing our physical body, then mental body, then spiritual body. All aspect yoga is changed. Whenever we do the practice asanas, we will change our physical body strength. Then after that, gently going little bit upside, then we do pranayama. Pranayama, which is our internal organs, and then after that we will do the pranayama, then meditation also. Meditation change our mind, chitta. So yoga is the transforming therapies and life changing therapies for the all aspects, mentally, physically, and spiritually.
Well, that's brilliant. Yes. And this is what everybody needs now. I mean, I think everybody knows a little bit of yoga, but most people, when they talk about yoga, just a second, technique. When they talk about yoga or hear yoga, they are thinking only about asanas now, about movement, and lots of people think yoga is a kind of sport. What do you think about that?
Yoga. Yes, repeat the question, please.
I said lots of people, especially in Europe and in America, for them, when you say yoga, the only parts of yoga they think about are asanas or maybe meditation. But I mean, we know that yoga actually is a very, very complete lifestyle, we can say, which includes a lot more. And we talk about 8 passes of Pranajari, no? So it's asanas and meditation are only 2 parts of it, no? But that's the parts Europeans and Americans think more about it. And my question actually was lots of people think yoga is sports because you do this and you do this and you do this and oops. And what do you think about that?
No, yoga is not the little bit part of the asana. Yoga is the lifestyle completely, way of the living, transformational lifestyle therapy technique. And then you have the 8 limbs. First limb is the yama. Yama is the 5 instrument yama. Yama, always living with the truthful, satya, ahimsa. We live the non-injury life. Then after that, asteya. We don't need any, asteya means we don't keep anything else. Then brahmacharya, we need celibacy. After that, satya, ahimsa, brahmacharya, asteya, then Ishwar Prani Nidhana, and we surrender all things with the devotion with the divine completely. Then this is the first. Then second is the yama. First yama, second is the niyama. First yama, niyama. Niyama is the soch. Soch means cleanness our physical body, cleanness our all things. Then next is the soch santosh. Santosh means satisfactory in our life. Everything we satisfy. After that, soch santosh tapasa. We will do the little bit tapasa. Tapasa means we take the make any resolution, then we will try to do that for the bit devotion, then we will reach the goal. You know, that is tapasya. Then swadhyaya. Swadhyaya means daily the good scriptures reading the yourself, reading the observe yourself and reading yourself, and then good scriptures. Always be living with that. After that, Swadhyaya, and then last is the Ishwar Pranidhana, the completely surrender with the God. Okay. Third is the Yama, Niyama, Asana. Asana doing the asana. Asana posture is the asana. Then Pranayama fourth. Fourth is the breathing exercise. Then Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahara. Pratyahara means we take discipline and we take life with the discipline. Then Pratyahara Dharana. Dharana means we take sankalpa, we take resolution. Fir dhyana, we will do the little meditation. After that, samadhi. So yoga is the 8 limbs: yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana. So we have the 8 limbs, 8 limbs. So yoga is a perfect science, completely scientific way. In all therapies, we will live with the patient and we will try, and slowly disease is gone and perception is changed and our stress is gone. So this is a wonderful technique, and it is very necessary that time, because that time is the very our work totally sitting posture work. You know? We have gone to physical work, we have the IT work, lot of many people doing internet work and office work. So we need that time. That time is very necessary. So it is that more needed and result oriented.
Yes, I totally agree. It's really, we have in Europe, in the States, there's quite a strong focus on asanas and maybe the meditation, no? But everything else is, lots of people don't even know that there is more in yoga now. And you just explained that very, very detailed, the different parts now. So what would you recommend somebody to start? Well, because it's something we need. Everybody needs to be quiet. Everybody needs to be centered. Everybody needs what you just said, with sitting the whole day in front of the computer. We need not only the movements, which are very important now, don't get me wrong, they're very important, but we also need the centering with the breathing and with maybe concentrating. So what would you recommend to somebody if they never did yoga? For example, what would you say, with what should people start?
Yeah, first we do little bit. Yoga need not too much exercise, not. Yoga Patanjali, Maharshi Patanjali Yoga Sutra principle is the Sthiram Sukham Asanam. Sthiram Sukham Asanam. All asanas to have be comfortable, be relaxed. Just going to slowly, very slowly, according to your body, according to your stamina, according to your age.
Okay, we've got a problem. Dr. Pooran is frozen right now. It's a difficult connection with India. I'm here in Marbella in Spain. He's in India, New Delhi, and due to the overcharge with people on the line at the moment, this is recorded in April 2020. So, you know, everybody is online. So I will stop this a moment until he comes back to us. So apologies for this interruptions. This is technique. We are unfortunately not, we can't do anything about it. We will be back in a moment. You were just explaining a little bit how we would, what would be the best to start when you want to start yoga to feel better. So what would you recommend to people? You just said to start to do something, some asanas, slowly, gently, depending on your condition, depending on the age.
Right. So when we start the yoga is the wonderful therapy. Yoga means unite your body, reunite your, channelize our connection completely, body, physically, mentally, and spirituality. So then little bit, body needs little bit exercise. So we will do the first, we will do start subtle form, subtle exercise, Suksham Vyayama. Suksham Vyayama is the very subtle exercise, joint opening exercise. After that joint opening exercise, we will slowly, gradually we increased, then stretching asanas, little bit asanas. After that asanas, we start the little bit pranayama. Pranayama breathing exercise. Simply, whenever some person, listen, when some person have hypertension, but he start the Anulom Vilom pranayama, gradually that problem is gone. After the sometimes he feel better, he and she feel better, and that problem is gone, hypertension gone. So that is a wonderful technique for the hypotension and hypertension also. Cardio problem, it is a wonderful technique, Anulom Vilom pranayama. Then you increase the little bit going up, Kapalabhati pranayama. Kapalabhati detox our body and detox our mental level also, and glowing our face, and that is our forehead, and head is the glowing, and then release our all type tensions, emotional, balanced your emotions, physical, mental, and spiritual emotions. Then our balance, slowly we will do start pranayama. After the pranayama, we will do regularly 5 to 10 minute meditation. Meditation is a wonderful and very necessary for everyone. Each everyone in this world needs